Hello friend, today I will tell you how to repair this motherboard. This one is a MacBook Pro 13-inch T1 model. T1, this is a T1 chip here, and so now you connect the power cable. Connect the power cable, and then see the current. See this current. And this current. No. 5 volt to 20 volt. 20 volt is okay, but the current is start 0.17. Start here. Cannot power on. Yeah, cannot power on. And then to restart. Restart. 就是一样，13现在，然后开机，电子进在这里，不开机，那个习惯有些人反应。
Es una tarjeta para el 13.3 y mira ahora, por ejemplo, el corriente no cambia, el para ya. Entonces la placa no enciende, porque es bici.
So now you check the motherboard voltage. Check the voltage.
Y ahora vamos a ver el voltaje. ¿Alguien habla en español aquí o todo en inglés?
Because you can boost to 20 volts. So now you check the power one socket. Power one voltage. This one 1.0. 1.0 is normal. And this one is a 1.2 memory voltage. 1.2 is okay. Or 0.9. 1 voltage. 1 voltage. 1 voltage. You see only the CPU no voltage. This one. CPU inductor no voltage. The other inductor, all the inductor have the voltage. All the inductor. Only the CPU no voltage. Only the CPU inductor no voltage.
So all the parts has voltage and the CPU does not. Vale. Es como todo otras partes con voltaje y CPU aquí no hay voltaje, entonces aquí está el problema. Entonces seguimos.
Yes. So the problem maybe the CPU socket have the problem. Maybe the CPU damage. Okay, so now you have to the display connector first. You can check the display connector because allow the 30-inch motherboard allow the CPU damage. Okay, CPU damage. Then cannot output the CPU voltage. So now you can check the display connector. This one EDP connector. Okay, and check the display connector. You can see the problem. So you can see this one pin 1. Normal is 206. Not only not the die value die mode is 2000. So at normal pin 1 and pin 2 at normal. Pin 1 and pin 2 to connect to the CPU. This one pin 1 pin 2 to connect to the CPU. So this motherboard, the problem is CPU damage. Okay, CPU damage. Normal is 206. but now it's a 2000, so the diamond is abnormal. So this motherboard is a CPU damage.
Con el aparato nosotros ahora hemos probado y el CPU está estropeado, entonces ahora vamos a cambiar el CPU. En este proceso lo que vamos a hacer es como mostrar a vosotros cómo cambiamos el CPU. Entonces es un aparato, una maquinita o un producto que hemos hecho para facilitar el trabajo. Es todo el video, que es lo que vamos a hacer en este video.
Okay, so now to replace the CPU, So along the 13 inch, when you see the coloring is normal. When you see the coloring normal, and then you check the older inductor have the voltage, only CPU no voltage. So maybe the CPU have the problem. So you can check the file reader from the display connector. This one display connector. There's another this one. Now this is our CPU, motherboard CPU. So now I'll tell you how to replace the CPU.
Y ahora vamos a cambiar, vamos a reemplazar el CPU. Entonces vamos a mostrar todo el proceso para que ustedes aprendan y a ver también cómo se utiliza esta maquinita, el producto que hemos hecho para facilitar el trabajo, ¿vale? Seguimos.
So now I'll tell you how to replace the CPU. Before, maybe you use the BGA motion. BGA motion is very big, very big, and difficult to control and difficult to use. Okay, now you use these tools. You can very easy to replace the CPU, GPU, and all the BGA chips.
So before I have to use the CNC machine, right?
BGA motion.
BGA, okay. Es como BGA, okay.
Yeah, BGA motion.
Pero ahora but now we're gonna use this machine. It's gonna be easier for the work.
Okay, now bring the motherboard. So easy to fit the motherboard. Okay. And then you click this one, CPU or GPU. CPU or GPU. Click. Stop. So this tools you can use to replace the CPU or GPU and replace the PCH and the small CPU. For example, the M1, M2, and M3, and Intel CPU. Also, you can use all the tools. And the iPad. Also, you can use these tools to replace the iPad chip. Okay, iPad. And also you can use the fixed motherboard. You see fixed motherboard to replace the name chips, name chips, and replace all the connecting. And also you can upgrade the memory. You upgrade the memory and SSD. Okay, you can use these tools. So now the motherboard is heating, heating. With maybe the 2 minutes, then you can remove the black group near the CPU.
So this tool is not just for CPU or GPU. It also works for the components. It's not just for CPU and GPU, for the rest of the all the components as well.
And also the Intel CPU.
Okay, entonces esta herramienta, esta maquinita, no solamente para CPU, GPU, eso también sirve para otros componentes que está colocado en la placa. Entonces no solamente para CPU o CPU o GPU, es también para todos los componentes. También para Intel, para otras
Windows motherboard. You can use to replace the CPU, and also the GPU, the graphics card RAM, and this one is and this one is a 15-inch. 15-inch is a GPU, replace the GPU and the memory. So you can use them to replace all the VGA chip. Before you use the VGA machine, don't use this chip. It's not to remove the around the CPU, the wire.
No, ahora vamos a quitando es como unas etiquetas o algo para quitamos esto primero. Es un pegamento. What is this tool? This tool is what is this tool? What's the name of this tool? This tool is mini VGA heating station. VGA heating station. You buy directly from Master Liu. Because he made it.
And not all the collaborators are remote. When you see this one is soldering, then you use the air gun. Right now it's a soldering. Okay, now you're setting the air gun temperature. It's 400. That's minimum. 400 and the air is 660. Now it's air gun temperature. Okay. Now you use the now you use the air gun to hit the CPU. Maybe the 1 minute.
el CPU está quitado.
Okay, so now the CPU so easy to maybe use the 1 minute. Hit the 1 minute, then you can remove the CPU. Okay. So before you use the BGM motion is very quick. Okay, now you use this tool so easy to remove the CPU.
Then it's because of the heat, because of the heat is like below that. I mean the under the motherboard.
Okay, now at the solder plus.
This fruit paste.
So you can set in the baking motherboard.
What is it, bacon?
Yes. So the temperature is a lot different the CPU or GPU. CPU, the temperature is high.
CPU and GPU, the temperature is different. Okay.
Yes.
But this one you already have on the online shop? You already have it?
Yeah.
You already have it, okay. So this one is, as I said, it's not just for the for CPU and GPU. It also works for all the components. If you want to replace all the components,
Yes.
you can use this one, right?
Use the Windows motherboard.
I mean, for the small components as well. Okay.
And use for the iPad.
For iPad as well. Okay. So the reason or the reason you're making this. This platform, because of the heat below that, it can help you to remove the components easier. So that's the purpose, right? Okay.
Now use this solder line to change the key.
Rubén Guzmán desde Cali, Colombia. So the baking or the different name it means different temperature.
Yes. So you don't need to use the solder tape to clean the motherboard. You don't need to use this one. Because the CPU, you can see the CPU. It's a CPU. And this is a CPU. This motherboard is a 16 years. So now use the CPU is a 16 year. We have the two models, 16 and 17. 17 the CPU is different. So use the 16, now you use the 16 CPU to use this one. For example, you use the 17 to this motherboard, no display. Okay, no display. So you must use the 16 CPU. And you can see the CPU is
you need for the ear. For ear 17 or ear 16. Okay.
16 and 17. It's a 16.
So the size is the same? The size is
the size is the same. Only the CPU is different.
Okay.
Now you must use the solder iron to clean the motherboard case. You don't need to use the soldering tape. Now clean the motherboard.
有人问你，他说 MacBook Pro 2015的 i5 8GB 内存改装成 i9。
2015哪里改的？2015 cannot upgrade to the i9 because the must is i7. And this CPU also is the i7 CPU. Okay, before it's the i5. This one is the i5. This one is the i7.
They want to upgrade from one. It's like i5 to i9, so it's, it doesn't work. It's impossible.
i9 is only for the 2019 and the 16 inch.
2019, 16 inch.
Yeah, 16 inch.
Because that generation, I mean, from in 2019, they had the first. They started with the i9, right?
Yeah.
Before 2019, they didn't even have this i9 for this MacBook Pro for the
only the i7, i5, i7. Yeah.
Okay. Edwin Javier Manzano. Saludos.
Okay, now use the solder iron to clean the soldering case. You don't need use the solder tape to clean the motherboard because the CPU, you can see, it's different in the IC. CPU is have the light from the ear to okay. So you don't need use the solder tape. You don't need use the solder tape to clean the motherboard. Only use the solder iron to drag the solder paste. Okay, now it's solder paste is okay. Then you can either start. Use the fan. Turn the function.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember, okay, you replace the CPU, you don't need use the solder tape to clean the motherboard, clean the paste. You only use the solder iron to clean the paste. Okay, and when you replace the small BJ chip, like this one, SMC, and the other small BJ chip, also you can use the maybe you can use the solder tape. And the T2, whatever T2, you must use this one to clean the motherboard. Because the T2, the pin is very small. Every pin is very small. Okay, so T2, rebolting the T2 or replace the T2, you must use this one, solder tape. You replace the CPU, you don't need use the solder paste. Okay. And now when the motherboard is closed down. Go down, now it's okay. Use the PCB water to
¿Se
clean.
puede comprar un cerrador para las MacBook? Creo que买一个新的 CPU，买新 CPU MacBook。Sí, se puede comprar un CPU nuevo para el MacBook.
Or you can remove from the original motherboard. Also, you can buy from me. Okay, I also sell the CPU.
Master Liu lo tiene. Compra Master Liu a su online shop.
Yes, and the original CPU. Now you clean the motherboard. Because the CPU, this one CPU, he have the different CPU, maybe the data, the different. For example, the 2016 and 2017, the CPU is a difference. when you, for example, you use the 2016 motherboard to use the 2017 CPU, then you must rewrite the program the BIOS, then you can display. Okay.
It means when we replace the new CPU, we have to write the data, right?
Program the BIOS.
Tenemos que configurar, como programar el nuevo CPU. Eso es lo que dice. ¿Tienes algún curso en español? En este momento no. Queremos trabajar en inglés.
Okay, so now you can see the motherboard is clean, is all clear. Okay, clear. So use the solder iron to clean the solder paste. Now you add the solder paste. Solder paste. No, solder gloss. Solder gloss.
有个人问你，把这个视频上传到你的那个账号，他说等一下他要看。
去 Facebook 看啊。
这个
Ins FaceTime Facebook is the same, man. Just come to FaceTime on your Facebook, you can see it.
Okay, now you in the CPU. Now you solder back the CPU, so you clean also clean the CPU or GPU. Then you clean the stuff. Okay, stuff. Now you put the CPU to the position, same position. This CPU is before it's rebooting. Here rebooting this CPU.
It's ready. See.
Yeah.
Rebooting.
Yeah, before it's rebooting. So now
It's ready.
Yeah, ready.
It's ready. Okay, let's go. Here we go.
Okay, nothing. So you must use the low temperature tint the CPU because the CPU before is a high temperature tint. So and then now use the pin 1. Low temperature tint. The pin 1 and for this one. I use this one. Never use the Microsoft. Only this small. So, okay. You must show the pin 1.
Una lupa. Es una lupa. Lupa 就是放大镜。Es una lupa con luz. 是一个带灯的放大镜。
So really, when all the temperature is high degree, so when you go to here, complete, then here preheating. Its name is soldering. When you see the soldering, then you use the air gun.
Okay, esperamos que llegue, que completa. Que complete. So we have written to comes to here, right?
Yeah.
Then we use the air gun.
It's preheating. When is soldering.
Estamos en el proceso de preheating, como precalentar. ¿Cuántos hispanohablantes en el grupo? Me refiero en el ¿cómo se llama esto? vivo. ¿Cuántos hispanohablantes de Chile? Yo tengo muchos clientes en Chile. Recién, hace 2 semanas, estuve con unos chilenos, importadores grandes en Chile. Yo llevo 15 años trabajando con los chilenos. A todo cachete. A todo cachete.
Okay, now it's okay, wait. Then this preheating to translate is now is a soldering. Is it soldering? Soldering.
Ok, ahora ya está indicando, soneando.
Yes.
Entonces es como un aviso. Nosotros vamos a utilizar este airgun, que es como se llama.
Also the temperature is 400 and the air is
La temperatura 400 para airgun.
and
Ahora vamos a soltar.
in the CPU maybe the 30 seconds. 30 seconds around the CPU.
Real, te pinga. 400 la temperatura.
No, it's okay. Use the trigger.
Con las pinzas, como ayuda un poco.
That's okay. Then you put the stop.
Y ahora, terminado. Finish.
Yes.
Finish. Y ahora vamos a con esta, es una ventiladora. Y vamos a como cooling o como a enfriar un poco el chip.
Yes. Putting the CPU.
Sí, una fría, no puedo poner.
这个很大的，我这30度用的，200多克，还有一个储藏的，
很大，一个人上班。
没事，之前在那个这边是的。
No, ahora está enfriada la tarjeta.
Now you check the motherboard gauge.
Y ahora vamos a apagar la herramienta. Vamos a apagar esta, ya está apagada. Y ahora vamos a probar si funciona o no funciona.
Now use this one to test again. Test the display connector. Display connector. EBV connector. Display connector.
Vamos a probar con el display, una pantalla, dice display connector, un conector de pantalla, algo así.
And now you see the pin 1 is normal. pin
¿Qué
1.
herramienta es esa?
Yeah, now it's
La
a
herramienta
200.
se llama. Venga, ahora lo que acá me dio mucho. Ok. La máquina from Soldering es BGA Heating Station SBGN2. Lo vamos a mostrar. Ok, mira aquí. BJ Heating Station. El model number, el número del modelo SBGN2, ¿vale? Busca por internet. En AliExpress hay, ¿vale?
Okay, you can see now it's a 200, so normal. Before it's a 2000, now it's a 200. Okay.
So master lever is also fixed. Master.
So now it's a pin 2, pin 1 and pin 2 is a 200, now it's a 200, before it's a 2000. And when you replace the CPU, okay, this motherboard, when you replace the CPU, now the die mode.
Es una master lever.
You can see this one, when you replace the CPU, the die mode, die value is normal. Now you connect the power, okay, connect the power. See the current. Before the current is a start 0.1. Now you see the current. When you replace the CPU, now you see the current. See the current.
Y el que está haciendo el testeo, y la que está haciendo el testeo es. Te muestro ahora.
Okay, connect the power. This one is the original CPU before you remove from this model. Now connect the power. And see the current. Okay, now you see the current, you see, jump to the 0.9. Before only the 0.1, right? Now jump to 0.9, 0.96. So the CPU now is working. Okay, before only the 0.17. Now it's a 0.9, 0.92. Okay, now connect the screen. Okay. Add a little to the CPU.
请用这台机器替换美国版的 T2。
T2, this is a T1 model, not T2. Yeah. This is a T1, T1, T2 is a different.
你给版给 T 你呢？是吗？
T2 only the 4th generation and the 2nd generation and the 1 GB or 2 GB. No American, no have the American or the different. And now you add the original group, UV group, okay, around the CPU, original UV group. This one, UV CPU group. This is a UV original group.
打的。
The original UV group on the CPU. This是你们说的加的那个原装的 UV 胶。
Crean un poco de UV.
Original group.
Es como un poco de UV glue, un poco pegamento de UV.
Now it's a UV light.
Después con una lámpara. UV es ultravioleta. Ultravioleta.
This CPU also is the i7. Okay, before this original is the i5. This i5 is damaged. Now I replace to the i7. i7. It's a
南京に負け。日本天满。正数。外边是低。
哦。Okay, so now the glue is okay. Yes, this one. Original UV glue. Okay, now it's okay. Original UV glue at the lecture. No. So remember, motherboard no display. The 13-inch you match the display connector.
Okay.
So this is the and connect to the display cable. Screw. Okay, now connect to the screen.
Ahora está funcionando y vamos a conectar con la pantalla. Primero a la MacBook, después
UV CPU group, okay, original CPU group for the MacBook. not only make all the CPU, all the GPU, the correct.
El nombre es UV, the name is UV CPU Glue.
Yes. Yes, now connect the power.
Ahora al conectar al corriente,
You see the power.
al fuente de alimentación.
Before only the 0.1, so now it's around the
Si
0.9.
el corriente como baja y sube, significa que la máquina está encendiendo.
Because you didn't program the BIOS, so display is a very long time. You can see, very long time to display. You must program the BIOS data, then you can display very fast.
Tenemos que como programar el BIOS data, el data BIOS, y así se enciendan más rápido.
Yes.
Esto no solo hay que cambiar un chip, si hay que cambiar, hay que configurar, hay que programar.
Okay, now the display. Okay, display is okay, but no system. You see, this one is don't have the OS system. So the display is okay. Display is okay. For a very long time. So now you must program the BIOS data. BIOS. Okay, program the BIOS data. Okay, I'll show you how to program the BIOS data. I got on USB. Okay, now I program the BIOS data.
Show them the name. Show them the name of the
You don't need to remove the BIOS chip, so you can use this one. And the pin 1. Okay, the disconnected the pin 1. And the pin 1. Okay, this one is the pin 1. So connect to the display one. And this program to connect the BIOS, the pin 8, the power pin 8. So to connect to here. Then you open the programmer to program the BIOS data. Okay. And then you open this one is 16 year, so open this one. then you click the right. Now it's exciting, then to writing the. So you remember when you replace the CPU from the 2013, you must program the BIOS, because the ME one side in the BIOS, other side in the CPU in the PCH. Okay. You didn't program the BIOS, so the display is a very long time.
Con esta maquinita estamos programando el data de BIOS.
Now program success.
Ahora está success.
Successfully. Now connect the power. You see now display is very fast.
Se utiliza el Apple configuradora 2. No es una máquina que nosotros estamos utilizando, es otra máquina que tenemos aquí.
Yeah. 0.9。
如果我们直播间晚上那些型号提前准备好的话，晚上他们就可以在屏幕上看到你说的型号。很多人都会型号，但你就必须要把那个手机拿过来，真的给他看一下。后面的屏幕刚好拿过来就行，或者在这上面有一个飘出来的型号，把线直接给他看。
You can see now display is very fast. Okay, display is very fast. So remember when you replace the CPU, you must program the BIOS data. Then it can display very fast. Okay, this MacBook is a no OS system, so you can connect the internet or use the other MacBook to copy the system to this one. Okay, without the system. But the problem before is no display. Okay, no display. Then I check the motherboard, all the inductor have the voltage. Only the CPU inductor no voltage. Only CPU inductor no voltage. Then I check the display connector. Find the problem is the display connector. The dial value is abnormal. He can't choose the CPU, so then replace the CPU. Now display is okay. So you can see this motherboard. Yes. Also you can use the T2 auto model, not only for this model. Windows and the MacBook and other laptop also and iPad also you can use the BJ heating station to replace the CPU or GPU. So today replace the CPU and replace this motherboard is finished. And now I have the question. Over the question you can ask me. I will show you the
En todo el proceso nosotros hemos utilizado tres herramientas. La primera es esta máquina que se llama BJ Heating Station. El modelo es SBGN2. Esta primera. Y también nosotros con esta maquinita que se llama Sofix SUEM2. Es la maquinita que nosotros utilizamos para programar el BIOS. El BIOS data. También para probar, esto es para programar, pues para como probar, como testing machine. Es la última máquina que utilizamos, este es DS809SE, es para configurar el BIOS data. Entonces, en este proceso que nosotros hemos utilizado 3 maquinitas para todo el proceso, para cambiar, para reemplazar al CPU para una tarjeta, una placa de MacBook, ¿vale? Si ustedes tienen cualquier pregunta, cualquier duda, pueden dejar en el comentario. Más arriba ahora es un tiempo que nosotros podemos responder, que podemos ayudarles con las preguntas que tengan, ¿vale?
So, and for the MacBook, the repair question also you can ask me. No display. How to repair the no display? So you must see the current. See the motherboard current first. See the current is abnormal. Now you check the inductor or the inductor voltage. Like this one. Now the BY20220 is for the program the T2 ROM data. Okay, T2 ROM data is different. And this one, for example, this motherboard no display and connect the power to see the current. Current only 5 volt, so maybe the 5 volt to 20 volt, so they have the problem. He jumped to the 20 volt, but the current very small. So maybe the inductor, motherboard inductor, no voltage. So you must check the old inductor. Which one inductor no voltage? Then you find the problem. Okay, so before you see the current only the 0.17. So maybe the inductor have the no voltage. Then I check the inductor with the other one motherboard. Okay, this one motherboard. But the repair method is same. Okay, repair method is same. Then I check this one CPU inductor, no voltage. Okay, CPU inductor, no voltage. So maybe the CPU damage. Maybe the CPU record IC have the problem. Now I check the display connector. Then find the problem is on CPU damage. Okay, CPU damage. Because this 16-inch, all of the CPU damage, then it cause the no display, all the power fire, and the current is very small. Okay, so this about the and how to replace the CPU and how to repair the no display the MacBook. Have the question you can ask me for the no display and how to repair the motherboard.
And a CPU and this like a regional CPU you have on the internet, right? You have on your online shop.
Yeah, online shop.
Okay.
Or you want to buy the CPU, you can ask me. I can send you the original CPU.
Okay.
Yes.
Master is selling all these original components and all the chips, whatever, and also all the chips tour, almost everything for MacBook. Master you has it, okay? So if you guys need to buy something or you guys need to ask something, you can leave your comments on the commentary. So Master you can help you guys.
So you can see I repaired all of the CPU. So these tools, I test all of the CPU, and all of the 16-inch, 13-inch. Okay, T2 and T1, A1706 and A1989. All of the CPU damage, and also you can see all of this CPU, original CPU. Remove from the original motherboard. This all is a damage. Okay, CPU short, CPU damage. Okay, this one is A2251. It's a 10th generation. And it's for the A2251. So you can use these tools to replace all the CPU and the CPU graphics card. Also the PCH. Okay, this is small PCH. And also you can replace the T2 chip, NAND chip, upgrade the memory, RAM, okay, upgrade the RAM. So this one is a new product. Also you can choose buy this one to test. So easy to use. Okay, so today is complete. Okay, the next time we'll show you the other repair method, and how to replace the M1 CPU, M1 Pro CPU. Okay, and how to upgrade the memory and upgrade the NAND. Okay, so today show you the how to replace the CPU. Complete. Finish.
Bueno, hoy he terminado y la próxima vez vamos a mostrar más el método de probar a reparar o a reemplazar más M1, M2 de MacBook también. Y ya es todo para hoy y hasta la próxima. Chao.
Okay,
See you guys next time.
See you. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone.